Today we will be learning how to buy data online at a very ridiculous price. Okay, alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. You can use any browser and type mobilenig.com. Very simple, mobilenig as mobilenigeria.com. So this is what the website looks like when you jump in for the first time. You can see they do a lot of other things. They sell data plans, they sell airtime, VTU, they do bills payment for GoTV, DSTV, StarTimes, and so many other things. You can also convert airtime to cash, that is cash in your Mobile Nigeria wallet. They can also help you set up a website just like theirs, so that you can, with your own name, and then you can sell data at your own price. And then they also have a fashion store, but the part we're interested in is the data plans part. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to register on the site. Click on register, and they have a very simple registration scheme, just your name, last name, and all that. But I've registered already, so I'll just go back and log in to the site. Once you register, you can just come in and log in. As you can see, my details are already saved on the site, and so I will just log into the site. And now you can see this little promo they are running on MTN. You can see 500 MB 175 naira, 1 gigabyte 330 naira. This is how cheap their data plans are, and this is what your dashboard will look like when you come in for the first time. Now let me quickly show us the data prices they have. So they have a menu. If you're going to be navigating through this site with your laptop, you have a menu by the left hand side. If you'll be navigating through your phone, this menu will be compressed into 3 slices, and you can click on it to open up this menu. You can then click on data menu and then data prices, and then you'll be able to see all their plans for MTN, Etisalat, that's 9 Mobile now, and Glow. They do not sell for Airtel, because Airtel plans are Airtel SME data is almost the same price with what you buy from Airtel directly, so there's really no point. Although other data reseller websites put up Airtel, Mobile Nigeria doesn't. I guess they don't see any points in it. So you can see how cheap MTN plans are, and if you use 9 Mobile, this is the prices. These are the prices for Glow. These are the prices. So you can see that they are relatively cheap compared to what you can get from your own, directly from your network providers, and they are all 30 days validity, all of them. Now, how do you buy data? The first thing you want to note is that you have a wallet created for you when you register, and as you can see, my wallet balance is 0 at this moment. Before you can purchase data, you have to fund your wallet with the equivalent amount of the data you want to purchase. For example, if I want to buy MTN 1 gigabyte on this site, MTN 1 gigabyte is 330 naira. I have to fund my wallet with 330 naira to be able to do that. So how do you fund your wallet? You click on Fund Wallet, and then this page opens up. You type in the amount for the data you want to buy, and in my case it's 330 naira for 1 gigabyte, and then I click on Fund Now. Then they show you a little merchant fee you might have to pay. Is 5 naira for this plan. This increases with the increase in the amount of data you are the amount you want to pay or fund your wallet with. For now it is 335 naira for me, and I will click on Make Payment if you're fine with it. So the payment option they use is Paystack, and as you might already know, Paystack have 4 different options you can use. You can use your card to pay, to put in your debit card, and it's quite secure. Paystack is actually secure. So you can put your data, your 16 digits card number here. Alright, put in the expiry date and put in the CVV number. That's the 3 numbers at the back of your debit card, and then you can pay. Your bank sends you an OTP to your phone. You confirm the OTP here and make your payment. There's also a bank option where you can select your bank name, and so let me try to select UBA Bank. You can type in your account number here, and then click on Verify Account. Your bank will then send you an OTP also, and you'll be able to fund your wallet. But this feature is only available to these 4 banks: First Bank, Guaranty Trust Bank, United Bank for Africa, and Zenith Bank. For USSD, so I've not exactly used this option, but they are also limited to these 4 banks. So when you try to click on it, it will show you a code that you can dial on your phone to immediately fund your wallet. And when you've done that, you just click on "I've completed the payment," and it will be funded instantly. The last part is the Visa QR. It will generate this QR code where, if you're using your laptop and your mobile app is on your phone, you can open up your bank app, select QR payment. It will ask you to scan this and the payment will be done. Or if you're using your phone to access this site and the mobile app is also on your phone, you can always save this QR code as an image, and when you try to open up QR payment on your mobile app, it will ask you to open up your gallery to upload this QR code, and then your payment will be done. It's that easy. And the minute you're done, you click on "I've completed the payment." When you click on "I've completed the payment," it will take you back to the website. Sorry, I might have to. Okay, good. So it will take you back to the website for you to now buy data, and then from there you would realize that your wallet has been funded with 330 naira or whatever amount you want to buy with, and then you can now purchase your data. So if you funded your wallet, how do you purchase your data? Now you come to this data menu and click on "Buy Data." All right, so it will open up this site for you. You can scroll all the way down and select "Choose Network." So I want to buy MTN data. How much data do I want to buy? I want to buy 1 gigabyte. And then you put in the phone number you want to send the data to, and then click on "Buy Data." If it is 9 Mobile or Glo, the steps are the same, but for 9 Mobile there are some peculiarities. You'd have to dial a certain code on your phone for 9 Mobile, which is *229*9#, because most people have patronized previous data resellers before. But for 9 Mobile, if you've been using a particular data reseller before and you want to start using a seller that sells data to you from 9 Mobile, you have to dial *229*9# so that you can generate the number of your previous data reseller, put that number in here, and then buy data. That way, that previous number will be deleted from your 9 Mobile account, so that this 9 Mobile will now become your new data reseller. That only happens with 9 Mobile and not for other apps, and it's that simple. After sending data to your number or to whoever you want to send the number to, you need to also scroll down on this "Buy Data" page. Scroll down to your order history. Now, one thing you want to make sure of is that whoever you're sending data to, the data is approved. Okay, let me just scroll up so I don't show people's numbers. That you need to make sure that the data is approved, guys. So this takes, sometimes when you send data, this will show pending. If it's showing pending, it means that your request has been sent, but the person you sent the data to, or the number you sent the data to, has not received the data. Alright, so you can always refresh your page, and the minute you see "approved," it means the person has received the data. Now this process takes less than 10 to 20 seconds, but there are some times when your network providers will probably be upgrading their network or doing some upgrade or whatever, or having network issues, and so sending data might take longer time. But on an ideal day, this takes less than 10 seconds and your data is approved. So if you're going to be doing this as a business, you want to make sure that you don't just send data and go like that. You always come down here, refresh your page to ensure that this is showing approved and not pending. All right, so you don't get into issues. So that's it. That's all about buying data from this site. It's actually quite easy. Fund your wallet and load your data. Another thing you might want to take note of is buying airtime. So if you want to buy airtime, you can also come to this menu part and click on Airtime VTU. So they give some certain amount of discount for airtime based on premium and standard. So you might not need to worry about the difference right now. Just know that whichever one you're choosing, you get higher percentage for it, and they only sell okay, yeah, they sell Airtel on a standard level but not for premium. Alright, so you just choose your network, choose premium, choose network, MTN, type in the phone number, type in the amount you want to buy data for, and then buy airtime. But of course you need to have money in your wallet before you can also buy airtime. So you can fund your wallet and buy airtime. That's simple. Now, one issue you might fall into is when you try to make payments. If you ever try to make payments and you come back to your dashboard and you don't see your wallet being funded, don't panic. There's a resolution button just by your left. You can click on it, all right, and you can see a lot of things that might happen that you want to resolve. The part for payment, if you're making payments on the website, because you can also make payments by transferring money to their accounts, and it will automatically fund your wallet if you put your phone number as your description when you are transferring. But guys, I advise you just stick to making payments online instead of making transfers. So if you make payments online and the money doesn't reflect on your wallet, just come to query, just come to resolution, come to query pay stack, click on query. It will show you your most recent payment attempt or funding attempt, and you can see the one I tried here for us, 330 naira. It didn't go, it wasn't approved, it didn't go well, which was actually deliberate because this is just a tutorial. So if this was intentional and I really wanted to fund my wallet and I'd funded the wallet and it didn't reflect, I would just click on query. The minute you click on query, if that transaction was successful, it will immediately reflect in your wallet, and it works all the time. If it doesn't work, it means the payment didn't go through. Check your account balance again and you still see your money there. It's quite easy. I do this many times when I have issues, and it works like magic instantly. Alright, so that's basically everything. As you can see, it's quite simple to use this site. Every information you need about buying data, buying airtime, at a discount is available on the site. I advise you just look through the site and get conversant with it. The minute you can buy data for yourself, recharge for yourself, you can then start it up as a business. So the one last thing that I want to show us is, two other things I like to show us is that you can also have airtime on your phone and fund your wallet with airtime for your phone, from your phone. So you can just come to the menu and you see airtime to cash. I might not be able to explain all this, but I advise you just read all this so that they show you how to actually transfer airtime from your phone to your wallet. But you might want to read some of the information on this page because they deduct some amount if you are funding your wallet via airtime. So if you are sending 1,000 naira airtime, you might be seeing 800 naira or 850. Just check out the page and understand what it means to fund your wallet with airtime. And lastly, there's also an option where you can where you are given a referral link on your dashboard, so you can actually get people to sign up. I left one thing out. The first time you are funding your wallet, you will be charged 100 naira, and that's the only charge you ever see on this site. So if you're going to fund your wallet for the first time, remember to always add 100 naira on top of whatever you are funding with. That 100 naira goes to the person that referred you to the site. Okay, after that you will never see a kobo deduction from this site. So you also have a referral link. Anybody that registers on this site to your referral link will see a deduction of 100 naira. That 100 naira goes to you. So if you want to also do this as a networking business, you can give people your referral link, get them to sign up on the site, fund their wallet and make purchases, and you make 100 naira per each person. And guys, this is my own referral link. Alright, so if you want to register, please use this link. Alright, but hey, it's not an issue. I'm just here to help you guys learn how to do things better. So that's all I have for us today. I hope you learned some things. You can also pay bills on this site, pay your electricity bills, GoTV bills, StarTimes bills, and all the other bills, and there are actually discounts for all that. So there are a lot of things you can do on this site. I advise you go on it and try to I'm just seeing this buy land option. That's new. Alright, so you can just go on the site and check it out. The basic thing I use most of the time is data menu to buy data. That's what I stick to because that's where most of my profit goes into. So guys, I hope you've learned how to do this. I hope you can always pause this video, go back if you miss anything I said or I was talking too fast. You can always pause it and replay. Come on the site, read through everything on the site and get to understand it better. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section of this YouTube video and I will gladly answer you. If you have my personal details, you can always send me a personal message and I'll be glad to assist you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe and I'll really appreciate it. You can also like this video and join me for my next Saturday class, 40 minutes with promise by 10 a.m. where I'll share another insight that you would really find useful. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.